fresher, Information Science Department for the year 2021 is... Alden, whose baby you're carrying? Oh!
Please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you, ma'am. We have Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan here. Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan. लेंगे बेकंतल निंगे.
Why you will remember us? Now you have guys, no? So many.
Oh! So all these people are decorating the stage. Anus, Dhruv, Harsha. How you feeling? Being a part of Vista and decorating the stage for the Freshers' Day.
I miss all the events.
I hope the juniors actually.
Now this is the first one.
Yes, Monica, how you feeling decorating the stage?
Not so good.
So these people are blowing the balloons and tying it. How you guys are feeling by being a part of Vista? Rajesh Shetty, how you feel being a part of Vista? We have Josna here. How you feeling being a part of Vista?
I feel great.
You're in the dance team today?
No, I'm not.
You're in singing team?
No.
You're in decoration team. Come then, help us in decorating the stage. She's doing a project here while others are decorating the stage. Yes, Monica, I'm doing a vlog for my channel. While people are decorating, these people are playing some balloon games. Yeah, come decorate the stage. So we have Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan here. Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan.
No comments.
So we have a Kushi here. Kusu Kushi.
But her ringtone is always sad, guys.
Why?
What is it?
Why Kushi? Why so? So do follow her at her Instagram dancing page. Oh, Manasvi! Monica!
No. Who the guys are?
Only.
Manasvi is being roasted today.
The right side, I know.
What round table conference is going on? Something round table conference is going on. Yenta Rajesh Shetty. What Kanjus Kushi? Hey Lisha, hi! Annapurna, say hi! So finally we have our treasurer of Vista to decorate the stage. Namita, can you please unmask? Oh, we have a treasurer.
On the guy you want me to do.
By the way, how many are there, Manasvi?
Oh, Manasvi is dating multiple boys, huh?
No,
Manasvi. What Manasvi? You're dating multiple boys. Don't blush, Manasvi. It's fine. Manasvi, Swayambar.
I don't know why you.
Sabyasachi lehenga bekantala ninge.
Why you will remember us? Now you have guys, no? So many.
Oh! Down. Yes, Namita.
Yes, Nalti.
How hardworking we are.
Smile.
Hardworking people. Rajesh Shetty and Madam.
Smile, Sharanya.
ಮೀನು ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎರಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಶಿರು ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ.
So now we have a Vista coordinator, Chinmay ma'am.
Hello.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am.
Please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you ma'am. MC for today's function, Dhruv and Siddhi.
ಇದು ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ವಯಂವರ.
Okay, a girl named Monica is obsessed with Swayamvar. I don't know why. Yeah, you guys can continue. Dun, dun, dun.
I don't even know how I look. Show me how I look. Yeah, it's your turn. I finished mine. Hence, we want to.
Also,
I read that. I was reading that.
hence, we want to make this day a memorable one for you that will be imprinted in your minds forever.
Welcome to both of us. Welcome to Freshers 2021. Fasten your seatbelt.
Wow.
You send it to him.
Okay, I send the link to him.
Full serious discussion.
Guys, do support, like, share and subscribe my channel. Follow Kushi, follow Brinda, everybody on Instagram.
Follow Amanda and Crazy.
Crazy Joy on Instagram.
All these people are practicing the dance. Are you guys excited? Dance. Alden, you dance. Alden, you dance, bro. Alden, whose baby? Alden, whose baby you're carrying? Oh! Became shorter, Manasvi. Little. Else pakka, Adarsh. No. Manasvi, sorry. We'll find you someone else. However, we are doing a Swayamvar for you. What, Manasvi? You had your lunch also. You didn't call us.
Yeah, she didn't call.
She went with the Santa Claus. What is this, Manasvi?
Of Vista as well as ISC department. So going through what you mean by a Vista. Okay, the Vista is nothing but it's a versatile information science technical aspirant called as Vista, where it is a student forum to conduct technical and non-technical activities for the ISC students. Basically, why we conduct these events, I know that all the talents, maybe the hidden talents what we are not knowing about you and some of the things what we know about you, bringing together in a common platform called as a Vista.
Okay, hold on.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, wait. Feel it, bro. Reel it and feel it. Come on. Okay.
Technical design.
Do it. Come on. Come on, move. Boys. Move your bodies. Move your bodies, but not on your hands. Come on. Yes. Nice. Yes. Oh. Now. Yes. Start the music fast. Always